I may have just made a huge mistake, or maybe I'm a genius. I pruned my plum tree just like my apple trees, took off the central leader, and now I'm kind of freaking out. For those of you who don't spend your weekends obsessing over tree anatomy, here's the deal. Pruning a plum tree helps it grow better, produce more fruit, and not turn into a tangled mess of doom. It's all about removing dead or crisscrossing branches, thinning things out for airflow, and deciding which branches stay and which ones become firewood. If you want more pruning tips for fruit trees, check out the video I posted not too long ago. Now, this is where things get wild. Some fruit trees, like apples, can be trained into an open center shape. So I went ahead and tried that with my plum tree. But now I'm wondering, is this next level pruning or next level regret? But wait, where does the fruit actually grow? Because, kinda important. Here's the secret. Plums grow best on short, stubby fruiting spurs. These are small, bumpy-looking side branches that develop on older wood, typically on 2 to 3-year-old branches. If you chop off too many of those spurs, congratulations. You just turned your plum tree into a very leafy, very unproductive disappointment. So here are the top contenders for plum tree shaping. Central leader, tall and strong, like a skyscraper, dominant and hard to ignore. Modified central leader, balanced and wise, like a jazz band leader, sets the rhythm but lets the musicians improvise. Open center, rebel mode. No central trunk, just strong, well-spaced branches doing their thing. Good for airflow, but is it good for plums? More sunlight and airflow equals less disease. Easier to harvest fruit. No ladders equals no accidental tree parkour. Can work well if scaffold branches are strong. Removing the leader can lead to overly vigorous, messy growth, can reduce long-term stability, more prone to limb breakage if overloaded with fruit. So, did I just mess up big time? Looks like an open center is actually good for plum trees, but honestly, only time will tell.